Okay, so this is my brow situation. They look alright, but they're so messy. I just want them to be a bit neater. Like, I need neater brows. So I have mine here. It's a pinky one. Yep. So when you turn it on, it kind of lights up and there's a torch. And you kind of just push the... Just need to push the little button up and then down. So then afterwards, I just put a bunch of layers of this clear mascara by Collection. Especially if you like fluffy brows. I'm really happy with that. Look at the difference of... Guys, can you see that? Good brow. Your nasty brow. Okay, so that's one brow done. Alright, so this is what my brows are looking like. I am happy with them. Like, I love how you can see each hair. So let's just do a before and after of those brows, because they were looking crazy before and now they're looking all like, you know, flaky, you know, carved out. I'm